Hey YouTube, what's going on? It's Chris here. Just wanted to bring you guys a quick update on Litecoin. I'm going to be very busy today, so I'm not going to be able to get many videos out. But I wanted to bring this one to you, kind of show you what I was looking at. So guys, we're at $87.35 right now, and what I wanted to show you is that we are up above the 20 EMA right now. That's at $84, and we're also above the 50 moving average, which is at $80. So you can see these two here, and you can also see when we had the cross right there of the 20 EMA that came up and how we use that as support right here. Guys, I also drew this channel. This I drew yesterday. You can see how we've actually been staying in that channel and obeying the channel. So I think that's really cool to look at when you see us working the channel like that. So we had right here was our low, then we had a high, then we had a higher low, then we had a higher high, then we had a higher low, and now we're coming back up. We're going to see if we can get over top of this higher high. Now we have had what looks to be bullish volume coming in. Do you see how that's increasing like that? It's going up. So that's a good thing. But what I don't like right now is this upper wick here that we're dealing with, which we haven't closed this candle yet. So we're going to have to see where that lands. But I would like to see a little less wick on that, because it's almost like we're double topping off here right now around that $90. And that's going to be some heavy resistance. And you guys can also see right here another big resistance point for us. It's going to be right about in here, that $100 mark. So we have these resistance points, and we also have the psychological mark of the 100 as well. So keep that in mind. But guys, it's nice to be able to see this right here, what we're seeing. You can also see the MACD came up, and then it looked like we were starting to go back down, and we're crossing back over again. The histogram made one or two tiny ticks down here, and hopefully we can just keep moving sideways for a minute until we can get momentum to move back up. And then here's our RSI, and that's what I love about looking at when a bull move is taking place, even if it's in the short term like this. Look how precise that is, guys. Do you see the higher lows here that just keep going, and the higher highs here, here, and here, how we just move up and we're working that channel? It's just great to see that, because that just shows the change of the trend that we've been dealing with in the short term here. So that's kind of the channel we're working, and that's kind of what I've been looking at, guys. I've been paying attention to that stuff. Our RSI is at 62 right now, and you can see how we had that nice hook, and that was also off that 20 EMA right there, and also the bottom of the channel where we just hooked up, started making a move. So we're going to see where we close here on the 4 hour, but we got to continue to keep moving up. That's going to be the big deal for us, guys. We don't want to break this right here around $83 or so, because what would happen then is we'd come down. So say we closed right here and we couldn't get up above this, we would have a lower high, then we would come back down. We don't want to set a lower low, and then we start doing the same thing where we're dropping down with the lower highs and lower lows. So keep that in mind, guys. I just want to bring you a quick update. We're up 2.93%. If you guys could like, subscribe, all that, it really means a lot to me. Drop some comments down below. Tell me what you've been doing. Have you been buying? Are you selling? Are you holding? Let me know what you're looking at there. And I was just going to do one last thing here, guys. I wanted to check out the MACD, kind of see what that was looking like. Or not the MACD, I'm sorry, the Bollinger Bands. Alright, so we are at the top here, guys, and typically when we do hit that top, you'll see a little bit of profit taking. Right here, we made it through the bands, then we got pushed back down. But it's nice to see we do have this support here. Even from the middle band, we're up above, which is a great thing right here that we're swooping down into. And the middle band is around, let's see, $83. So we are up above most of our supports here, guys. So that's always a good thing, but we need that great volume here. Get back over top of this and see if we can get over this. And I know that 6,800 is a big resistance for Bitcoin right now, and that's going to depend whether we get up above this or not, what's happening there. But we are kind of putting in that bottom here, which is good. So keep an eye out on that, guys. God bless you. Have a safe 4th of July. Just be thankful for all the time you have. God bless.